Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 update is stuck, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down to troubleshoot and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows update troubleshooter. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a list of commands here. Simply copy these, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Paste these commands here. Now I'll tell you what would happen. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.